This is excavator. It contains 8 heads, which sits on the house. That is the rotating part of the machine. It rotates on its own axis. And when we come to the front attachment, it is being divided into 3 parts. That is the boom, the arm, and the bucket. The boom has its own cylinder, which contains hydraulic fluid. And also, this is the undercarriage. Use this syringe to control the boom, which helps to pressure up and downwards. And this one too is used to control the arm. And the last one too is used to control the bucket, which pressures the bucket cylinder so that it can be functional. Okay, then we come to the track. It has a switches on it. When I press it, you see that it will be moving.
Such are the people that the government should help, like the technical cases, so that Ghana can move far. Without technology, there's no way out that we can rely on ourselves. Most of the countries are now on their feet through technical education. Countries like China, Japan, even South Korea and North Korea, through technology, they have also moved far. So we are encouraging the government to help such students and an individual being able to produce 3 different artifacts is an achievement, and such people should be grouped. If you leave them individually like that, there's no way that much can be achieved. They need to be grouped so that a lot can come out of them.
This is the story of Ibrahim Mujahid, a second-year technical student at the Jacobu Senior High Technical School at the Amansia Central District of the Ashanti region. Ibrahim is an aspiring engineer who likes building machines from anything he can lay his hands on. Fascinated by the mechanics of equipment such as the excavator, which is a common sight at the district due to the mining activities, Ibrahim decides to build his own excavator and other 2 machines, a grinding machine common among the local populace and a garbage truck. This adds to the growing interest of students across the nation in building technological machines. The question is, when will government hear the loud cry of Ghanaians' will to engineer, re-engineer or innovate from scratch?
Even in Ghana, Kantanka is doing a lot. And if the government can go to its aid and bring such innovative students to attach to Kantanka, I think Ghana will also have a place when it comes to technology.